A little tired. Excuse me. Phone's about to die, so I gotta make this quick. A little help here, trying to understand something. I always sit there and say, if you understand how something works, you can fix it. So this has a rear mounted tank. So because the tank sits lower than the carburetor, it needs a fuel pump. And this fuel pump is vacuum actuated. So as the motor spins, it creates vacuum, pumps fuel through the tank up into the carb. The issue is, if this tractor sits for an extended period amount of time, the crankcase fills with fuel. Now, how is that possible if the engine isn't spinning? How can it be? There is not a lot of fuel left in here. And it just doesn't make any sense to me. So learn me, educate me, see where I'm wrong, because if this was a traditional setup with a gravity feed, the problem would be in the needle and seat. So I'm not going to say the fuel shutoff solenoid, because I have bypass solenoids on generators and they're gravity fed and it's not an issue. The only thing I run into issues with bypassing the shutoff solenoid is that if you shut this motor off full tilt, you're going to backfire. So if you throttle it down, choke it out for like 30 seconds to a minute, then shut it down, it doesn't backfire. Help me.